video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install Ammo Robbery Script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. Now scroll down over here. Now we have to download the dependency as well, so let's download them both. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting them over here, just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the folder's name. Now open the robbery file, then go to cfg.lua. So this is the pad location from where we can start the robbery, and this is the model of the pad. You can configure the cooldown system over here and the amount of cops to start the robbery, so I'll be keeping it 0 for now. And the required item to do the robbery is weapon_knife. You can configure the item from here. And these are the coordinates of the container. So if you're using new QB inventory, or if you're not getting the items from the stash, then you have to change the true to false. So I'll be changing it over here. And these are the items which are configured with the script. So you can configure the items from here. So that's it for the config part. Now copy the name of the scripts, open the server.cfg, and we have to ensure it over here. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's teleport ourselves to the location from where we have to start the robbery. So as you can see over here, this is the location from where we can start the robbery, as you can see on the map. Now let's interact the pad with our target eye. Then click on Ammo Rob. As you can see on the left side, we get a notification, and when you open the map, you will get a waypoint set it over here in this blip, and this is the location from where we have to do the robbery. Now let's teleport ourselves over here. So as you can see over here, these are the containers which we can rob. On the left side, you can see a code on the notification which is B09W. We have to find the container which contains this code. We are able to get the item on that container only. So let's find the container which contains this code. As you can see over here, this is the container which contains the same code, as you can see. Now use the target eye to interact with the container, then click on open container. So as you can see, we don't have the item to open the container. The item to open the container is weapon_knife. So let's spawn this item. Now let's open the container. So we get an animation over here of cutting the container's lock, as you can see. Now let's open the container. And over here you will get this box which contains the weapon. And outside there are lots of pets spawned which is ready to kill you. So let's deal with them first. So now we have to kill each and everyone over here. Now we have to use our target eye to interact with this box. Then click on open container. Here you will get a small mini game. So we have to solve this. That's it. Now we are opening the container. And here we got one heavy armor. As you can see, you can configure the item whatever you want. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.